Hello and welcome back to another Sheila Show Me, and today I'm showing you inside a brand new Rapido M96. Look at this lovely Mercedes chassis, lovely front, isn't that great? Working down the vehicle, your gas tanks are in there. This does have an Alco chassis, so you can stretch all the way through to the back. And in here is your large garage. In there you'll see your removable carpets and your outside shower point as well. Now this is a height adjustable island bed layout, and that is your bed there. It can move up if you need additional storage, that's not a problem, but look at the storage stretching all the way across to that other door there. And then moving to the back, you have your reverse camera up the top and the lovely Mercedes badge again. Let's hop inside. So here we are in the main living area with that lovely dark leather finish. I will insert the upholstery and the wood finish just here. Moving up, you have your large multimedia system just here, and this of course has everything you need from your phone to your sat nav to your radio stations, DAB stations. Down below that is just your aircon here. And this is a keyless entry, your key just goes here, and it is a keyless start as well, just there. Your table can manoeuvre out of the way whenever it's convenient for you, and then you can also extend it all the way out. And just above me is the first and second berth. And that is your lovely first and second berth. You do have them privacy curtains just to black out any sort of light that might bother you, and you do have a lovely skylight there as well, and when you're finished it just pops up and just clicks into place. Now just leaving that living area, you do have your TV bracket just here, and across here is the lovely new light finishes in the Rapido. You'll see USB points at each one of these and they just switch on and off. But you'll see there is a ton of storage within this entire motorhome. And then moving to your kitchen, you do have your 3 gas hob just here, and then your lovely sink. And storage wise, again, you do have tons in here the whole way down. And the great thing about this, they're all soft closed doors, and there's a locking mechanism just in here. You'll hear it click, and now them doors are locked and secure, so you don't have to worry about anything opening while you're traveling. And the final element of the kitchen is your combined oven and grill here, and your separate fridge freezer just here as well. And that is a Dometic 3-way fridge. These doors also open on the other side, so if you're really hungry and a little lazy, you can always open it the opposite way as well. Then moving to your separate shower and toilet area. Just in here is your shower. Now, a lovely unique feature about this shower is you can actually change the colour on a colour wheel, and I'll show you that in a wee moment. So whatever mood you're in, you can change it to that, or if you colour coordinate your pillows, you can certainly colour coordinate the lights with them as well. Then across to your nice and airy toilet area, you do have your cassette toilet there. You have nice holders for your toilet brushes, toothpaste, storage in under the sink there as well. And you've probably spotted my camera woman Jordan there, but that is because of this lovely large mirror. There is again storage behind that mirror, and it's just a matter of folding it out of the way, and you can access everything on this side and everything on this side as well. So they've really used all the storage solutions that they could come up with, and whenever you're done, they just click into place. And finally, your master bedroom, and this bed is comfy. It is so comfy. 2 layers, 2 mattresses. This is a Comfort Voltex that is in most Rapidos. The bed isn't in a usual position. This is just so that you can get in and around for getting access to your storage whenever it comes to the time that you want to use the bed. Now that was just a brief summary of this vehicle. If there is anything else you'd like me to talk about, please reach out to me. I have no problem going through it in more detail. You can contact me directly on my email address, marketing@thompsonleisure.com. You can give me a call on 028 9269 3999 or drop a message underneath this video and I will pick everything up. And I'll see you in the next video.